Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Spocket. If you're not familiar with Spocket, it's a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from other companies without having to hold any inventory yourself. I've been using Spocket for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. I found that it's a great way to make money online without having to invest a lot of money upfront. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Spocket free to use? I'll also talk about some of the pros and cons of using Spocket. So, let's get started. Is Spocket free to use? No, Spocket is not free to use. There are two different pricing plans. The basic plan costs $29 per month. The Pro plan costs $49 per month. The basic plan gives you access to all of Spocket's features, but it limits you to 100 orders per month. The Pro plan gives you unlimited orders per month. In addition to the monthly fee, there are also some transaction fees. These fees vary depending on the product you're selling. Pros of using Spocket. There are a number of pros to using Spocket. Here are a few of the most important ones. No inventory. You don't have to hold any inventory yourself. This means that you don't have to worry about storage or shipping costs. Wide selection of products. Spocket has a wide selection of products to choose from. This means that you can find products that are relevant to your niche. Easy to use. Spocket is very easy to use. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can get up and running quickly. Great customer support. Spocket has a great customer support team. If you have any questions or problems, they're always happy to help. Cons of using Spocket. There are also a few cons to using Spocket. Here are a few of the most important ones. Not free. Spocket is not free to use. However, the monthly fees are relatively affordable. Transaction fees. There are transaction fees associated with using Spocket. However, these fees are usually very small. Limited number of orders. On the basic plan, if you're on the basic plan, you're limited to 100 orders per month. This can be a problem if you're running a busy business. Should you use Spocket? Whether or not you should use Spocket depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online without having to invest a lot of money upfront, then Spocket is a great option. However, if you're on a tight budget, you may want to consider other options. Overall, I've been very happy with my experience using Spocket. It's a great platform for dropshipping, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking to get started in this business. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.